How to join a prototype on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on your account and click account settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now click here on prototypes. As you can see here, you will find many open prototypes here. For example, if you want to join one of them, click here, join prototype, and click join. Now, as you can see, I just joined a prototype right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.